Hi there, welcome in. My name is Mariah Peace. I am an expert bookkeeper. I have been doing bookkeeping for 10 years now, and today we're going to be talking about if you need to be good at math to be a bookkeeper. One of the biggest reasons that people tell me they can't become a bookkeeper or they're scared to get into the industry is because they're like, I'm not good at math, I'm not good at calculations, I'm not good at putting reports together and all of that. And honestly, I think that's one of the biggest misconceptions about bookkeeping. Now, maybe 20, 30 years ago when we didn't have internet and software and these things, you did need to be good at math. You did need to be able to pull Excel sheets together and put formulas and all of that. But that is a thing of the past. And thank God it is, because when you're doing a lot of math by hand, when you're doing a lot of manual entry in spreadsheets, there's a lot of room for error. I can't tell you how many people I've moved from maybe Excel or keeping their books by hand to QuickBooks, how many errors I found, how many times their taxes were wrong, and how many times they're like, oh, wow, I didn't realize that that number was off or this calculation was off. So you don't need to be good at math, because now the software does it all for you. And it actually protects us as bookkeepers, because you're not really making mistakes and you're not really making errors when everything's plugged into a software that does the calculations for you. Okay. So I don't want you to think, oh man, I need to be so good at math to do this. You actually don't. When I first found bookkeeping, I assumed it was all about numbers, formulas, and complicated accounting as well. So I've been where you are. And I was like, I didn't feel like I had the strongest math, Excel calculation background either. So I definitely worried about that as well. But once you understand what bookkeepers actually do, you'll realize bookkeeping is much more about data entry. It's much more about categorization and organization using QuickBooks than it is about math. So people confuse what a bookkeeper does with just manual math, and that's wrong. What you're mainly going to be doing is going into QuickBooks where the client's accounts will already be linked. What happens when the accounts are linked, the data and the numbers and all the calculations, the balances, those are all automatically there for you. So as you add each transaction, it's already adding or subtracting from the balance. It's already adding or subtracting from the proper place in the report it needs to be. Now, when it comes to reports, it's even easier, because once you've added all the transactions and you've reconciled, guess what? It sends all of that information to the reports. You're auto-generating these reports with the click of a button. You are not manually typing out or calculating reports for clients at all, okay? The main thing you're going to be doing is categorizing their income, categorizing their expenses, and sending them reports. That is your main job as a bookkeeper. QuickBooks is going to do that math for you. It's going to calculate the totals. It's going to create the reports. It's going to handle all of the calculations. And you want that. Trust me when I say you want that, because you do not want to have one decimal, one number off on your spreadsheet or on your manual calculation and send a report to a client that's completely wrong. So QuickBooks actually protects you by doing that. So the skills that are going to matter the most if you want to get into bookkeeping is attention to detail, being organized, being willing to learn QuickBooks and knowing how the system works, and being able to communicate with clients. Those are the things you need. I'm going to argue that those are more important than even being good at math in this industry, because you're going to be doing you're really not going to be doing any math, because everything is calculated for you. Okay. So in my experience, I started in bookkeeping 10 years ago. If you are just looking to work from home, maybe have 5 to 10 clients, make 5 to 10 grand a month, and you are just looking for something simple, I recommend sticking with simple, basic bookkeeping, offering that. What I do is I do monthly service, setups, and cleanups. Those are the most profitable services in bookkeeping. You don't feel like you have to offer taxes and accounting and payroll. You don't. I recommend sticking to those 3 services, getting a handful of really quality clients, and that way you're able to work part-time and work less and earn more. And that's the reason a lot of us get into bookkeeping. And I'll tell you, when I started, I had a handful of clients and I was able to reach my income goal. And I've always had little ones at home. I started in bookkeeping to be able to stay home with my babies. And I was working 1 to 2 hours a day and a couple hours maybe on the weekend when my kids were taking naps. So you can schedule this around however it's going to fit for your life, for your family, for if you want to travel, whatever you want to do. You're able to work at your own pace on your laptop anytime that you're ready. Okay. So this is a great opportunity for those of you who are like, maybe the 9 to 5 thing isn't for you. Maybe you have little kids at home. Maybe you want to travel and not be tied down. This is great for anybody looking for flexible income, but you want to have something in place for your learning, your certification, and your support, okay? Because yes, you can get into this industry as a beginner. Doesn't mean I want you working with clients right out the gate. So I want you to go through the QuickBooks training, go through the QuickBooks certification, set up your business, do those things that are necessary to actually operate well in this industry. I have a free 3-day workshop where I walk through all of this. I walk through how to get registered for QuickBooks training for free, how to get registered for the certification for free, the steps you need to set up your business, and I even go over how to work with clients, how to get clients. I give you the strategies that you need. And there's a link in my description where you can register and get instant access to my 80,000 member school community. And also in that community under Classroom, you're going to be able to access that free 3-day workshop and get that PDF free 30 to 60 day launch plan so you can see if bookkeeping is a good fit for you, risk-free, and get going. If this video was helpful for you, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and we appreciate you watching this all the way to the end. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.